Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. We are pleased to show you the 2011 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, tow hitch, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.